Hey, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the best wig using Xpression hair, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so starting at the back of the wig, I'm using my chocolate brown color, which is color 4, and I'm just adding my crochet knots. I'm just showing you the length here, guys. I've just folded the Xpression hair in half and kept the length as long as possible. So these are my 3 colors. I've got 27, 30 and color 4, and I'm just going to blend them together just so it looks natural. You don't need too much of one color, you just need a nice equal balance of colors. When you finished, it should look something like this. Okay, so I'm moving on now to make a couple of tracks. Now I want these tracks for the top section, and this is really just to hide the knots that will be underneath the wefts. So you'll see later on when I start sewing them in, you will see why I'm doing that. I have to hide the knots. I don't want knots at the top because I'm trying to make this wig look as natural and realistic as possible. So guys, I've used the zigzag stitch just to go over the sellotape, and now I'm removing the tape. So once you've removed the tape, you need to fold the hair over and continue with the zigzag stitch on top. Okay, so once you finish the sewing part, you just need to add some gel and some spritz, and the reason I'm doing this is just so that there won't be so much shedding. This hair can shed quite easily, but if you seal it, if you seal the top of your wefts, you should have minimal shedding. Okay, so now I'm moving on and I'm just adding my blonde mixed pieces. So do you remember before when I was mixing the color 27, color 30 and the chocolate brown? I am using that to cover the crown section. So the rest of the hair now is going to be in that color and the base is all in the chocolate brown. Okay guys, so this is a closure and a mini frontal that I made by hand. Now I do have a full video on how I make a mini frontal, so to save time I'm not going to show you the whole process in this video, but I will try to insert the video of me making a mini frontal somewhere so that it's easy for you to click on. Now here in this section I'm just using hand stitching to sew that closure in place. When it comes to sewing in my tracks, I'm going to sew on top of the lace, but I am going to use my sewing machine so that the tracks are secure. Okay, so I'm ready to sew my tracks in place. I've pinned the track down and I'm just sewing over that with the sewing machine. Okay guys, so just blow dry the hair out. I've inserted a picture just so you can see the texture that you should be aiming for. So guys, at this point I was like, should I leave this hair straight? This hair looks really nice, really soft and silky straight. But no, then I decided to go on and put the curls in and cut it and do the curtain bangs kind of thing. And yeah, I do like the way it turned out eventually, but I did really like this straight. I might make another one. Guys, I might just make another wig, leaving it straight like this with the similar sort of colours, but just a straight version because I do like this. Look at it, beautiful. So to set the hair, I'm using setting lotion. Make sure you put enough setting lotion on so that the hair is fully saturated before you put your curlers in. When you've got all your curlers in, I just left mine overnight just to make sure that it was fully dry. Okay guys, I've decided I am going to make an Xpression hair wig collection. So the remaining videos that I'm going to make for this collection will be all using Xpression hair. Xpression hair is as versatile as you want it to be. Yes, it takes some care to maintain the wigs, but they do look good. They do look good, and they are, best of all, low cost. So this is the wig the next day. All the curls have set. I've removed all the rollers and I'm just going to go through with my fingers separating the curls. So guys, first I use my paddle brush just to brush the hair out, fluff it up a little bit. And then I use a thin tooth comb to make sure that in that top section, the hair is pulled over completely so you can't see any knots at all. here guys, I'm just adding a little bit of argan oil just to soften the hair up. It's quite stiff when it dries because the setting lotion does make the hair kind of stiff. So just to add a bit of softness back to the hair and a little bit of sheen and shine, I'm adding some argan oil. So guys, if you are finding my videos interesting and they're helping you develop your wig making skills, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on your post notifications also so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. And if there are any styles, any wig styles that you want me to try making, then please leave them in the comment section and I will do my best to meet every one of your requests. Okay guys, so I've transferred the wig to this mannequin head just so you can see better. I'm going to do a close-up of the closure so that you can see how that lies. And I'm quite happy with how the wig turned out. This is the full wig. Beautiful. So guys, as always, stay tuned and stay blessed. I will see you in my next video.